Your firewall is locked down, your endpoints are patched, but your printers are wide open. Printers and MFPs aren't just office equipment, they're unmanaged PCs running inside your network, trusted by everything, watched by no one. Attackers use them to intercept sensitive documents, capture credentials, and move laterally across your entire network. So who have you got guarding them? Introducing PrintGuardian, a fully managed print security platform that deploys inside your network, monitors every device 24/7, and feeds enriched threat intelligence straight into your SIEM, SOC, or SOAR environment. Backed by UK-based cyber experts operating around the clock from our SOC in Reading. Reduced attack surface, centralized visibility, compliance-ready reporting, and faster incident response. PrintGuardian, print security with teeth.